Hi everybody, it's Tina. How are you? I was told about this from Miss Cat's Crafting. So I went over and watched her video. Sorry, I started there. Video. And I went over and watched the person that's hosting this video. And I wasn't sure if I was going to do it because time wise, but I decided, you know what, I'm going to do it. So I'm 2 days behind. So you're going to see day one and day two on this video. What I'm talking about is hashtag Jelly Postcard Play. GELYPOSTCARDPLAY. See how it's wrote? And it is hosted by Ceri Griffiths. I hope I said that right. I apologize if I did not. What you had to do is use your jelly plates images. And I will have his one video linked so you can go over and see all his directions. And I said I dug around for a few that I already had made, but I haven't played on my jelly plate since before I had my hand surgery back in April. So I got it out tonight, and after I do this video, I'm going to do some jelly printing. Hopefully a little bit tonight and some tomorrow. But I'm here to share day one and day two. Day one was this new paint I recently got, and I put it on my jelly plate and it's like dauber paint, and I wanted to see how it looked it's called dot markers, and I wanted to see how it looked off a jelly plate, and this is what I got. Really thick, and I got some more, but they're in my book. So all I did is I kind of just doodled around each circle in a different way. And then I did a border. And then I went over to my sticker wall. Which, my sticker wall is an old crib gate that broke from, God, when Riley was little. And I kept it. And I hung it up. And Scott hung it up on the wall. And I got little hooks when Diamond worked at Dollar Tree of those little strips that are at the ends or hanging. I got all my stickers on them, and I hung it off the baby gate. I'm a stickeraholic. I need help. I love stickers, so I decided I'm gonna try to incorporate some of my stickers in my postcards that I'm making. So the first one, when I walked over there, this sticker caught my eye because of the background. I thought it just worked. Says Monster Band. You got little monsters, got the little audience, and of course you have to add your number. So there's my number one. Got some music notes. Had one little extra sticker, so I put it on the back or front, however you choose. But there, day one is little monster people, or monster, people. I like it. I think it's cute. Day number two is another. When I was looking at my wall of stickers, I have this, I don't know what you would call it, but it's a dimensional, and then I grabbed this little, it's a patch, so I put that above, because this is my jelly plate in the back, and it's fuzzy felt, it's like felt. I've added that, and then I took this pink poodle little patch I got. I don't even know where I found that, but it was hanging up there. And of course, there is the number 2. And I thought it kind of looked good, Yeah, but I think they look cool. So here's day 1 and day 2. Oops, there we go. Once again, this is hashtag Jelly, GELYPOST, card play, CARDPLAY. I will have it all linked in the description box below. Go over and check out Jerry's, JERI Griffiths, GRIFFITHS. I gotta check out more of his videos. He's new to me. Kathy sent me over to look at him. So Jerry, I'm going to go be checking you out more. Especially if it keeps raining in Wisconsin like it has been. I kind of do my outdoor work and then I come in because it's raining again. That's all we've had off and on for like 2 weeks. So it's not been a pleasant summer. So there you go, guys. please go over and check out his channel. Go check out the rest of the people that are doing this. I will have all the information, and use the hashtag to get there. Thanks for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.